Surprise! We're still alive. Today we're making Mapo Tofu.
Woo! For our marinade, we're gonna use about half a teaspoon of sesame oil, Dennis's favorite nut.
Brenton.
A healthy pinch of salt. Oh god. So we're gonna add what looks to be about a teaspoon of wine. Actually, you wanna take a swig, Dan? Come on, you don't wine out. Healthy splash of garlic. A nice chunk of ginger. And 4 spring onions. I'm an idiot.
I didn't say it.
This is gonna make a lot of scallion.
Good job of making your scallions there. If you didn't know, this is how you can do garlic. Bam.
Wow.
Oh, I didn't hit that hard enough. Bam. Alright, I'm done being useful.
Woohoo! So I like to do a quick 3 horizontal slashes into a pretty classic mince. No, girls love garlic, dude.
Prove it.
Okay, everyone loves garlic. Alright, there's a small subset of degenerates in every population that don't.
You know why they don't like garlic? Because girls are bacteria, Brenton. They're a blight on society.
Oh my god.
This is InfoWars with Dennis.
He's lost it, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, that was a joke, by the way.
Dennis likes girls.
Wow, Brenton. Way to make me come out as straight.
Oh, by the way, guys, we got this ginger from the Vietnamese market. It's so powerful. It's like weapons grade ginger. I had a slight piece of it, and it we bought horseradish, didn't we, you piece of shit?
Hey.
I told you we could have bought horseradish, the ginger. Yeah, and we're gonna start preparing this kind of hot, fragrant oil. Alrighty, once the pan is hot, you can go ahead and test this with a drop of water like we just did. Go ahead and add your pork. All the fat and seasonings we have in the pork are gonna render down and create this really nice base for the rest of our sauce. This is how people do it on YouTube.
Wait, don't touch the knife.
I saw something on it.
It's no excuse. Yeah, I know how to do it that way. That requires way too much trust in yourself.
I think it's actually very similar to the Korean sauce. It's like gochujang or something. It's like fermented beans. I'm gonna get a healthy 2 tablespoons of that, I think. And to that, I'm also gonna add a couple of fermented black beans. This is a nice little condiment that I picked up. It's like fermented black beans and chili oil, and it's also got a buttload of flavor.
I can smell the spiciness.
Yeah.
How is that possible?
This is mace. When you cook this dish, you will end up releasing a ton of capsaicin into the air in your kitchen and end up macing yourself. Just a little bit. But we also have these, which are the actual dried red peppers.
There's gonna be seeds in there too.
Yeah. Fresh ones. We're just gonna tear this up. Oh, it's so beautiful, Dennis. It's so beautiful.
So scary and red.
3 milliliters of stock. So now, once we've added all this moisture, we're gonna simmer it down at a higher heat. And look at all that delicious red, dangerous oil. Alrighty, once the water and sauce mixture starts simmering and boiling, go ahead and add the tofu. Just gently slide it in, careful not to splash the sauce everywhere.
You mean like this?
That's our rice about to explode.
That's my toilet calling me.
Once it starts simmering, go ahead and add the pork that you forgot to add earlier. You can really add the pork and the tofu at the same time, but I totally forgot we had set this aside. Also add about a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Alright, I reckon the water should have reduced enough, so I'm going to go ahead and add some sugar and cornstarch to thicken. So first the sugar. I'm going to stir that in and mix. It's like maybe a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water. And we're going to add it slowly. And garnish.
Brenton's little spoon, just like at night.
That's so savory.
There's a lot of flavor going on there.
Oh my
The
god.
pork is such a great addition.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry if you're vegetarian.
You could just say old grandma tofu.
With that, like, comment, and subscribe. You like old grandmas.
Yeah.
If you like
That's what
gilts,
Mapo-
comment below.
That's what Mapo Tofu means. Old grandma tofu. Yeah, isn't it such a weird flavor?
My tongue itself is spicy.
Yeah, it takes mint seeds. It feels...
Ah! Ah!